News Sports, sponsored by your Oklahoma Ford dealers.
You know, it's not going to be acceptable here. This program has very, very high standards. This university has very, very high standards, and when they're not met, there's got to be consequences.
And today, Baker Mayfield suffering the consequences. The Sooners Heisman candidate will not start against West Virginia this week, though he will play. And for the first time this year, he will not have the honor of being a captain. And welcome into sports, everybody. Kyler Murray is going to make the start Saturday. Unknown how long Mayfield will be forced to sit. Baker emotional as he addressed the media after practice tonight.
Playing at OU is something I always dreamed of. So not starting's, you know, it is what it is, but not being a team captain is something so much more. And so, and it's hard because it'd be hard if it was a regular game or not, but it being my last one here ever.
Also emotional today, Lincoln Riley, who took every opportunity to say what we saw Saturday, not who Baker really is.
Despite this, no matter how long I go coaching, whatever the rest of my career ends up being like, I don't know that I'll ever have a player that's as special to me as he is. And
that silence went on for 34 seconds. Riley then finishing up with these comments.
And we've been through a lot together, and he's a tremendous teammate. He's the best football player in America. He's got a great heart that a lot of people don't get the chance to see like I do, and I'm proud as hell to be his coach.
OSU upset by Kansas State Saturday with 3 losses. The 2017 season falling short of expectations for the Cowboys. Mike Gundy on how you go about dealing with the disappointment.
The difficult part is you got to look in the mirror and say, what could I have done better? Same thing with me and the staff. Nobody really likes me on Sundays because I have to look at them and say, this was not good. We didn't put them in a position for success. And then it's, you know, with me, I'm involved on special teams. I worked all week on kick coverage. So I had to turn around and look in the mirror and say, that's not very good. It didn't work. That's what we do on Sundays. So it's not quite as fun.